প্রিয় দর্শক আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ব্যবসা রিক্রুটমেন্ট টেস্ট 2021 পজিশন অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ম্যানেজার আইপিইএস সিও আইআর পদের এমসিকিউ পরীক্ষার প্রশ্নটির সমাধান নিয়ে আপনাদের সম্মুখে উপস্থিত হয়েছে। নম্বর 1, রসিক নায়ক গণেজন তুষক শ্রীযুক্ত মাগনদাতা এই কবিতাটি রচনা কার রচনা? নম্বর সি, কাজী নজরুল ইসলাম। নম্বর 2, ইউসুফ জুলেখা কাব্য এর রচনা কে করেন? শাহ সগীর। নম্বর ডি। নম্বর 3, পুস্থেসিস এর বাংলা প্রতিশব্দ কোনটি? সি, আদি সরাগম। 4, নিচের কোন গ্রন্থটি অন্যদের থেকে আলাদা? বি, দোলন চাপা। নম্বর 5, আম মুক্তার শব্দে ব্যবহৃত আম কোন বিদেশি উপসর্গ? সি, আরবি। নম্বর 6, কাকভূষণ্ডী এর অর্থ কি? নম্বর সি, দীর্ঘায়ু ব্যক্তি। নম্বর 7, কোন বানানটি শুদ্ধ শুশ্রূষা? বি। নম্বর 8, অভিরাম শব্দের অর্থ কি? এ, সুন্দর। নম্বর 9, হ্যান্ডআউট এর বিশুদ্ধ বাংলা পরিভাষা হলো? ডি, জ্ঞাপন পত্র। নম্বর 10, গির্জা কোন ভাষার অন্তর্গত শব্দ? এ, পর্তুগিজ। নম্বর 11, প্লাগিয়ারিজম এর বাংলা প্রতিশব্দ কোনটি? কম্বিলক বৃত্তি। নম্বর 12, নিচের কোনটি ভাববাচক বিশেষ্য? সৌরভ। নম্বর সি। 13, নিচের কোনটি নিপাতনে সিদ্ধ সন্ধিবিচ্ছেদ? নম্বর ডি, তৎযোগ কর, তস্কর। 14, নিচের কোনটি অলোপ দ্বন্দ্ব সমাসের উদাহরণ? নম্বর এ, দেশে বিদেশে। নিচের কোন শব্দে ব্যবহৃত নিয়মে মূর্ধন্য ষ বসেছে? ঋষি। নম্বর বি। নম্বর 16, এপ্রিল ইজ দ্য cruelest month is written by T.S. Eliot. Number B. Number 17, Love and Friendship is written by Jane Austen. Number 18, Love for the whole world is called? Number D, philanthropy. Number 19, the people who carry a coffin at funeral are called pallbearers. Number 20, the word electorate means? B, a body of voters. 21, select the meaning of the word stagflation. Number D, economic slowdown. 22, one who retreats from society to live a solitary life is known as recluse. Number A. 23, we should always be grateful to one who has suffered for a great cause. Find the substitute word for underlined words. Fanatic. Number A. 24, to meet trouble halfway means to be puzzled. Number B. Number 25, people who assume that no evil can befall them are complacent. 26, conduit is nearest meaning to B, pipe. Number 27, the word imbibe means B, to drink. Number 28, to have an axe to grind means a selfish means to serve. 29, a Machiavellian character is? Number B, scheming person. 30, invidious is opposite to charitable. Number 31, who is a founder of electric cars manufacturing company Tisha? Number C. Number 32, the 2020 Olympic are now postponed to 2021. These games will be hosted in? Number B, Tokyo. 33, Bangabandhu's historic speech on March 7 has been included in which schedule of Constitution? Number B, 5th schedule. 34. Which amendment to the Constitution of Bangladesh is termed as first destroyation of Constitution? A. Fifth Amendment. Number 35. The geographic location of Bangladesh is on the line of tropic Cancer. Number B. 36. The parliamentary system of Bangladesh was re-established through which amendment of the Constitution? Number D. 12. 37. The World Wide Web WWW was invented by A. Tim Berners-Lee. 38. Which of the following country does not hold veto power in the UNO Secretary Council? C. Germany. 39. North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO is an international dash alliance. Number B. Military. 40. How many goals were set in the Sustainable Development 2030 Agenda? Number D. 17. 41. The south pole of the earth is located in Antarctica. Number B. 42. The Komodo dragons are found in A. Indonesia. Number 43. What is the venue of 10th D8 Summit? Number C. Dhaka. 44. The headquarters of Transparency International is located in Berlin. A. 45. Which country has currently passed legislation that allows military personnel to contest elections? Number D. Egypt. 46. If function of x is equal 10 base x, then inverse function of x is equal what? Number C. Log x. 47. Find the value of x if log x 324 is equal 4. Number B. 3 root over 2. 48. If x plus y is equal 3 and x is equal 2 by y, what is the value of x cube plus y cube? Is D. 9. 49. 50 persons can do a work in 12 days by working 8 hours a day. Working how many hours per day can 60 persons finish the work in 16 days? C. 5 hours. 50. What is the profit of Taka 650 in 6 years at the rate of profit Taka 7.5% per annum? Number B. Taka 292.50. 51. If A by B is equal 1 by 3, B by C is equal to C by D is equal 1 by 2 or half, D by E is equal 3 and E by F is equal 1/4, then what is the value of A, B, C by D, E, F? Number A. 3 by 8. 52. A school has only 4 classes having 10, 20, 30 and 40 students respectively, which pass percentage of 20%, 30%, 60% and 100 respectively. Find the pass percentage of the entire school. Number D. 66%. 53. What is the value of x in the equation log x1 by 81 is equal 4? Number D. 1 by 3. 54. If a square plus b square is equal 5ab, then the value of a square by b square plus b square by a square is number B. 23. 55. Two numbers when divided by a certain divisor give remainder 35 and 30 respectively, and when their sum is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 20, then the divisor is B. 45. 56. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting the sum of the face number is odd? A. Half. 57. If the square of the sum of two numbers is equal to 4 items of their product, then the ratio of this number is C. 1:1. 58. If the length of an isosceles triangle is 16 m and the other two sides are 10 m each, what is the area of the triangle? C. 48 m square. 59. The line perpendicular to the tangent line is called A. Normal line. 60. If sin x is equal 3/4, then cos x is equal what? C. root 7/4. Which one of the following is a predecessor of episode? Number B. Economic zone. Number 62. In which year the first episode of modern era was established? 1970. 63. Dash is used to control all the parts of a manufacturing processes. Number B. CAM. 44. Which of the following keyword shortcut is used to change the case? Shortcut answer D. Control plus Shift plus F3. Number 65. Analog signal is measured in number A. Volt. 66. The marginal revenue equation can be derived from the number D. Price equation. 67. Product differentiation is the important features of number C. Monopolistic competition. Number 68. What is the called processes? 68. What is called processes that initiates, guides and maintains goals oriented behavior? Number D. Motivation. 69. In dash pricing fixed costs are excluded. Number D. Marginal cost. 70. Higher the price of certain luxurious articles, higher will be the demand. This concept is called number B. Veblen effects. 71. The time lag between indenting and receiving material is called A. Lead time. 72. In the case of perfect elasticity, the demand curve is number B. Horizontal. 73. Dash is the base of marketing planning. D. Demand forecasting. 74. The architect of the theory of monopolistic competition is number D. Chamberlain. 75. Isocost line indicate the price of number B. Input. 76. Cinema, theater, telephone bills, etc. are following differential pricing. 77. The law of diminishing returns applies more to A. Agriculture. 78. Accounting principles are generally based upon number A. Practicability. Number 79. GST stands for C. Goods and services taxes. Last and next number 80. WTO is the successor organization of a GATT. ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। যদি আপনাদের উপকারে এসে থাকে তাহলে আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার সঙ্গেই থাকবেন এবং অন্যদেরকে উপকৃত করার লক্ষ্যে ভিডিওটি বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন। সবাইকে আবারও ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে শেষ করছি। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।